大家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host, a native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one useful Mandarin word that you can start using immediately. Today's word is 不. This is an HSK1 vocabulary word. It means no or not, and it's one of the most commonly used words in Mandarin. Let's break it down. The character is 不. 不. Say it with me. 不. Again. 不. One more time. 不. Now, let's look at the tone. 不 uses the fourth tone. The fourth tone starts high and drops sharply. Listen and repeat. 不. 不. Here's how today's word connects to a previous lesson. You already learned 喜欢, which means to like. 我喜欢咖啡. 我喜欢咖啡, which means I like coffee. When you add 不 before it, 不喜欢, 不喜欢 means don't like or doesn't like. 我不喜欢咖啡. 我不喜欢咖啡, which means I don't like coffee. If you like a refresher on 喜欢, click the card in the top right corner of the screen. And that's your daily Mandarin word. 不. 不 means no or not. Practice it 3 times with me. 不. 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 好，大家下次见咯。See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a lesson.